Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm doing my bump box, hopefully it zoomed in, unboxing. It is this is the last box I'm gonna get, and we're gonna see if it's worth the price. I had to spend $51 on this box. It doesn't feel like it's $51 worth of products, but we'll find out. But before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you've ever used a subscription box like this, or if there's a subscription box that you really like, because yeah. So this is what it looks like inside, and it has a little mama sticker on it. And the first thing we're going to pull out is a box, and it is a tumbler. It is a beige tumbler, cream tumbler. It says the belly bundle on it, and it says mama. This is what the top of it looks like. So you can put a straw in. I think this is cute. I think I'm going to take this with me to the hospital. Yeah, definitely taking this with me to the hospital. I'm realizing that, like, as I've been pregnant, I'm getting things for the baby, like, when it comes to, like, PR collab stuff, and a lot of it's been, like, beige neutrals, and I'm like, is this a theme? Am I going to go beige neutral with this baby? But, yeah. Then the next thing is this keychain. It says mama on it. That's cute. And then we have this thing that I don't need anymore because my baby's coming out in a week, button pants extender, so I'll save that for a friend. This could have been really useful. The next thing is this hello world, and then you put the baby's name, date, weight, and a picture with the baby. I think this is cute, but I feel like I got this in the last box with, oh no, I didn't get this in the last box. Last box. So this is really great. I got this from something else, but that is great to have. I just realized, yeah. And then last but not least, which, hold on a second, it's this wipey bag holder thingamajig. It's cute and everything, but so I got this, and this, and I had to spend $51 because the box is $39 or $49, but then there's like shipping and handling and tax, so it comes out to $51. This is not, in my opinion, worth $51. Like, it's gonna be a really short video because, like, literally I have nothing to show you, so I'm a little bit disappointed. I already said in the first box that I opened, I was like, hopefully the next box is better, because if it's not better, then I'm not even gonna bother renewing, which I'm not, because I'm having my baby, so there's no point. And if I'm gonna get stuff like this, I'm not spending $50 on a tumbler, a keychain, a sign, and a wipey thing. Like, it makes no sense. Like, I thought it would come with, like, other stuff. Like, at least the first box came with the bag. And, like, actually this stuff matches the bag. Like, so it, like, everything goes together. But still, like, you know what I mean? But that was everything in my belly bundle box. Do I recommend this box? Probably not. But, yeah. So, if you guys are interested in getting the belly bundle box, good luck. Maybe you'll get better things than I did. I don't know. Like, I'm just a little bit annoyed that I spent $50 and I got, I mean, I get the tumbler. Like, the tumbler by itself is like $25, $30, but I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. It's a cute cup that I'm definitely gonna use. The sign I definitely gonna want to use. And the mama sign, I really like. It actually matches my bag, so I'm not going to complain about that. And the other two things, I'll either use it or I'll save it for someone who's going to have a baby, because eventually somebody else is going to have a baby, so I can, like, gift it or pass it along to somebody else. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Have a nice day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And like always, please, please, please stay safe out there. Oh, let me show you my shirt. Hold on. Because the last time that I can actually wear it. Hold on. I'm pregnant, guys. It says, the bump life and has little footies. Yeah, our pool turned green. The pH balance is low, so, but it's the end. We're gonna dump it out soon anyway. But today is like so hot. It's been so hot these past few days. It's been like in the 90s, and I'm like, what kind of fall weather is this? But yeah, so yeah, I'm probably gonna be taking a hiatus, but I made so many videos and content that you guys won't even know that I'm taking a hiatus, and it's going to be interesting being a mom of 3. I'm freaking out. I'm low-key freaking out. But yeah, so peace out, guys. Bye. So peace out, guys. Bye.